How to make Google Chrome your default browser on Mac. Apple tries a lot to keep you using their browser on Mac. Apple has worked much on bringing you a browser that is fast and easy to use. But what if you want to use the Google Chrome browser on your MacBook? You can do that even if Apple tries to keep you using Safari. To change the default browser, open Google Chrome. It is possible to get this notice on the top. If you get this notice, tap Set as Default. If you do not get this notice, click on the three dots menu from the browser. Click on Settings. On the right part, you will have lots of settings. Find the settings called Default Browser. Click on Make Default. To make Google Chrome the default browser, click on Use Chrome. Now your browser has changed to Chrome on the Mac. You are now using Google Chrome as a default browser. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.